So apparently, the same thing has happened again. You know what they say, that the definition of stupidity is doing the same thing and expecting different results, something like that. But yeah, I was going to use this different mold, and last minute I decided to use this one. And as you can see, it's very pretty in the afternoon sun, but it landed on the kettle shelf again, and it's broken already. Not as thin. So anyway, gonna do it again. Here it is from the inside, which is pretty cool looking. But alas, it's just not meant to be. I think this hole is just too big, and yeah, okay. It's Groundhog Day. Here we go again. Jesus Christ. All right, yeah. I'm really over this piece, so. Okay, here's the results after firing. Came out pretty cool. So these were all the little thin shards that I just kind of layered on top of each other. But I don't know if you can kind of see how it looks with light going through it. Pretty cool. Here's the two finished pieces from the smaller white ones. This one just barely made it. I should have. Anyway, I got lucky. I got lucky with part of this firing. I think both of these came out really nice. And I'll show you how they look on the wall. So here's a finished piece hanging on a very unfinished wall, but I have it here because it's hanging in front of a built-in sconce that I installed in my wall. So it looks pretty cool lit up. I'm happy with it. It does have a few cracks right there, and there's one up there. They're more visible when you light it up, but I don't care. And here's the other one. Oops.